Hello YouTube, welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. I am so happy to have you here today. Today is Food Pantry Day, so I get my monthly food pantry pickup today. So I'm excited to bring you along and I will show you what I have for the month. I am in line at the food pantry. It is 7:25. They don't start until 9 a.m. and I am already, believe it or not, halfway back in the 5th row. They are absolutely swamped, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed that I actually get a box this month, so we'll see how many boxes they have and how far they go. So I'll let you know when I get home if I got a box and what I get. Okay, I did get a ticket. I am 55 in line. The line back behind me is completely full, so they're probably at 60 right now. And I look for there to be at least 2 or 3 more rows by the time we get ready to start. Alright, it's going on 8:30. The line's starting to move. They did run out of tickets, so not everyone in line's going to get a box. So I'm really grateful that I got here when I did and I have a ticket. So I'll let y'all know what I get when I get home. Oh my word, y'all. Look at that. I am so excited. So let's get this in and I will show you what I have for the month. Okay, I have to do this in batches so I can spread this stuff out and get the cold stuff put away fairly quickly. So from left to right, I have these beef sirloin kebabs. I have this meal for one. It looks like it is sofrito seasoned chicken breast with some kind of veggie. Y'all, that is a big turkey. Oh my goodness, I am so excited for that. You guys have no idea. And here I have some turkey thighs. I have some bacon. I have diced chicken breast and some chicken drumsticks, a ham and Swiss sandwich. I'll probably do this for my lunch today because I got a busy day today. Some more chicken wing drumettes and a vegetable Korean TV dinner and a thing of meat sauce. So this is my frozen stuff for the month. This is really going to help me out with my meal plan for this next week. So I will get this stuff put away and show you the rest of it. Okay, here is the rest of what was in my car trunk. They didn't have much bread this week because they're just getting started back after being closed. So they're hoping for Monday's produce pickup that there will be more bread. But this is still quite a bit. Back here is 5 bags of sweet potatoes. So I'm going to try canning sweet potatoes again. The first time I tried it, I think I processed them too long and they just all got mushy. So I'm going to give sweet potatoes another try. I have 2 bags of rice, a can of 3-bean salad, a little jar of artichoke hearts, 3 boxes of macaroni and cheese, 2 cans of applesauce. Back here is a can of soup, some instant oatmeal. There is a thing of shelf-stable chili with no beans. A couple candy bars. A thing of Hostess cupcakes. Look at these, y'all. 2 bags of whole almonds. I am so excited for those. I'm going to have to try to find room in the freezer for them. And then I have 2 things of seltzer water, some apple juice, a LaCroix sparkling water, and a Diet Coke. So that's my monthly food pickup. They are doing a produce pickup on Monday, so I look for them to have more bread products in by then. So that's what I have to plan with for the month. Oh, that was quite a haul. I figured they would be a little low today because they were closed for 2 weeks over the holidays. But they still gave quite a bit for the month. I am so happy with all that turkey. I think I'm probably going to pressure cook it in my canner. I'll just throw the turkey and the pack of turkey thighs all in the canner and pressure cook it. And then I will pull the meat off the bone, and I will use the broth from cooking the turkey to put in my jars to pressure can. So I'm really happy with that. That will probably give me at least 8 more jars of turkey to put on my shelf. So yeah, I'm okay with there not being much bread. I have bread coming from Kroger later this afternoon, so I'm okay that they didn't have any bread. They're thinking by Monday when they get their truck in that they'll be stocked back up on bread again. So that concludes this edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. I am so grateful that I did my food pantry pickup today, because now I know what I have and can meal plan for next week. So that's really going to help me out a lot. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so that you know when I put new videos out. And if you're a returning subscriber, make sure that you are still subscribed and still getting those notifications in. I am so thankful for each and every one of you. Be happy, be blessed, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye!